Guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this particular video of MS Word course, I'm going to teach you how to format a table with different styles in MS Word. As I've already shown you how to add or insert a table into your MS Word using different methods. Now we are going to format that particular table. We are going to design that particular table in different styles, right? So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my MS Word software and this is the dummy data I have uploaded here. Basically I have created a table here and I've added a dummy data here, right? So you already know that how to add the table and how to write the data right in that particular table. This is simple, just you have to insert the table by clicking here and then you can write the table into it, right? Basically write the data into it. Now as we have already created the table, now we want to design this table into a appealing uh, format, appealing design, right? So for that we have to go to this table design option. Once you click on the table, this tab will automatically appear in front of you, right? We do have this layout option as well. So this is two table tools which comes under uh, table tools option, right? So we are into table design option right now. Now first we have this table styles. Let's start with table style option. We'll talk about table style option later, right? So let's start with table styles. So if I click on this option here, you get tons of different options over here. As you can see here, different color options which can add a good look into your table, right? So this is the table options which you can use. Let's say I'm using this one, blue one, right? So this is how your table is looking like, right? Now if I click on this menu option, we get three more options over here. The first one is modify table style. Basically you get advanced option which can help you to modify your style. Basically you can even modify the text, the size, the width of the lines, everything you can modify here, right? Well, this is not so important to understand because you just have to add the table. You don't want to basically properly or professionally design that particular table, right? So these presets be enough for you to design your table, right? So I'm not gonna talk about these options deeply, but yeah, you can use this, you can explore these options by yourself as well, right? So let me close this one. Then if I click again here, we do have one clear option. If you click on clear option, everything will be cleared, right? You will have only the data. Let me press Ctrl Z. Then we have new table style. If you click on this, you will again get this kind of advanced interface where you can design your own style, right? You can name that particular style, you can add the type of that table, then you can add style based on any grid which whatever that you are using, right? Then you can format everything here, right? You can set the text design, basically text font style, then size, then different kind of other things as well, right? You can give the color as well. So that's how you can properly design your own style according to your preference. So let me close this one. Once we are done with this thing, basically we the main use of this option is these presets which you can use, right? Once if you are not liking the colors, you want to insert the color manually, then you can do one more thing. You can go into shading option, which can help you to add any different color in a particular cell, right? The cell which whatever the cell you select, let me just select two or three cells over here, right? Let's say I've selected this row, right? Now if I go to shading option, the color of this particular row which I have selected is getting changed now, right? So that's how you can do. Now if you click on no color, then the color will be removed. All the color, whatever the color is already added into that particular cell, row or column, will be removed. Then we have this more color option, basically the advanced color option, where you can get your preferred color, whatever you want to choose. Then if you have any particular color code, you can add that as well, right? So this was all about shading option. Then we have this style table option. So what we have in style table, basically style table is once you have designed your table, you can add extra things into your table. So the first option is like, it says first column. So first column is basically it is added a extra dark color into the first column, and if I uncheck this box, the first column is now into this. Basically this is the column, this is not the column, right? This is the row, this is the column, right? So as you can see, right now it is unbold, and if you want to bold it, basically to show it more appealing, you can click on first column at the, and the all text in your first column will be bolded. Then we have last column. If you want to add something extra into your last column, basically if you want to bold it, it will bold the last column, right? Then we have banded columns. What is the use of banded columns? Basically it helps you to read the or understand the large number of data, right? What it does, basically it will add a specific pattern of colors. As you can see here, when I uncheck this box, the specific pattern is gone. You might be unable to understand it properly. Let me just uncheck all the things so that I can show you. This is the header row. Header row is basically this one. This is already bold now. If I uncheck this box, the color is gone now, right? Then we have this banded row as well. So all the things are gone, just we have the borders, right, which is blue in color. Now if I select the header row, the header row will be highlighted. Then we have total row. Total row is also highlighted. Total row is this one, but here is no any total row basically. So let me remove this one. If you have any total row, basically let's say you are adding these are the products, and if you are adding the total number here, so you can use this option to highlight the total row, right? But we don't have here total row. Then we have banded rows. What is the use of banded rows? As you can see in the example, it will highlight the line like this, right? So basically it highlights every alternative line like this, so that the data the understanding of data can be pretty easier. And same goes with the banded columns as well, right? So we do have only limited columns here, so that's why this is uh, having like this, right? Getting, and then if I add banded rows, so that's how this gets done, right? So either you can use banded row or banded column. Then I've already shown you last column, then first column, right? So that's how this table style option and table style works. I hope you understood and learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.